Hey guys, it's Mad. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. If you're new, make sure you click the subscribe button down below to become part of the Mad Threads family. It's a fun time over here, I promise you. You will definitely want to join, definitely subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you can see every time I post.
1, 2, 3, funky.
So today is going to be my evening skincare routine, what I do before bed, how I remove my makeup, just the whole thing. This is my skin after the routine, so if you want to see how I achieved it, just keep watching. And I'm just going to sit down and break everything down for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get started. Alright everyone, so now that we are done cleansing, I did a double cleanse and obviously I did the Botanics softening cleanser. This one you can also find at Target for like $15. Another alternative one that I sometimes use is 9 to 5 from Lush. This one's nice if I have very light makeup on, or I'll just use this as like a morning cleanser because it's very gentle. And I also love the Bliss makeup melt for when I'm wearing a lot of makeup, like if I'm full glam. That one is amazing. So with clean hands, let's get started on the routine. I'm keeping this in my hair. Like, it's at such a strange length right now that it just kind of like sits in my face, so I want my hair out of my face. So the first product I'm going to be using to rehydrate my skin after cleansing is the Pharmacy Skin Dew. This is so incredible. It's really hydrating. The only thing I don't like is how intense the mist is. It is like, it's all up in your face. So I just hold it really far. Oh my goodness. So that is my first step. After I kind of let my essence soak in, I love to use toner. One that I've been loving, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know I am obsessed with this. This was sent to me by Glow Recipe. I went ahead and bought the big boy because I love it so much. This is one of the few toners I found that actually makes a really big difference in my skin and also leaves me nice and hydrated and doesn't make my skin feel really stripped. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I know that it's such a common thing to dump a bunch of toner on a cotton pad and rub it on your face, but that's not what I'm gonna be doing today. So I just like to take some and just pour it into my hand, and then I just run it on the skin. And a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, my toner, I have to use a cotton pad because it gets the rest of my makeup off. Girl, if your makeup is not coming off during your cleanse step, maybe get a new cleanser, because toners are not meant to remove makeup. They're meant to do what they're meant to do. For example, this one is to kind of help make the skin glow. It has BHA, so it works below the surface of the skin and deeper in the pores to kind of exfoliate. And the watermelon's just like a really nice antioxidant ingredient. But as for toner, like, it's not a cleanser. So make sure you're getting all your makeup off during your actual cleanse step in your routine. This is my favorite toner, so much so that I bought a new one. I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. I'm saying it because I genuinely love it. And you can see, instead of leaving my skin dry and tight and dull, it leaves it super bouncy and super glowy. So sometimes I love to add another toner because toning is honestly my favorite step in my skincare routine. And I feel like I need a little bit more chemical exfoliation because my cleansing was so gentle. So I'm just going to add a few drops of the Henriksen dark spot toner, especially because since I am an essential worker, I have to wear a mask for 8 to 10 hours a day, and I've been getting acne all around my mouth and a lot of dryness. So I want to keep that area nice and bright and exfoliated. So same with this toner, just a few drops in the hands and pressing it into the skin. It really, really works well. I just wish it didn't have so much fragrance in it. This is AHA's. It's gonna work above the surface of the skin and not go as deep as the watermelon one goes, just to kind of exfoliate and help renew those skin cells on the top. Now we're gonna move on to our first serum. I like to do 2 different serums because I have such dry skin that any intensive serum that I use on my face literally will dry me out so quickly. So I like to start off with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum, and I just do a pump of this and just do a very light layer on the skin. It literally feels like water on my face. So I'm just gonna kind of press this into the skin. Don't forget the neck. For my serum tonight, I am going to be using the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. I know a lot of people say that this smells really weird, but personally, I don't mind the scent at all. Now make sure with products that have droppers like this, you're not putting the dropper directly on your skin because that can definitely contaminate the product. Bacteria can build in the product, though there are preservatives in there to fight against that type of thing. It's just a good cautionary measure to take. So I'm gonna do a few drops of this. Press this into the skin. Glow Recipe has been one of those brands that every single product has worked so well for me. I don't know what it is, but my skin literally loves them. Now lately I've been focusing on kind of AHAs, BHAs, and brightening, but on those nights where I want that like really intensive skincare routine, I'll use something like Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow or Sunday Riley A+ Serum. This one's a retinol and this one is a really intense resurfacing AHA serum. This one is kind of stealing my heart. In the pineapple serum, there's vitamin C, pineapple juice, which is a really potent source of vitamin C, and it also has 3 different types of vitamin C. Ooh, it also has lactic acid, which is so nice because that's a really good like acne fighting ingredient. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is so great for my dry skin. My skin just soaks it up. So I have a few moisturizers that I am obsessed with, and one of them is this Shea Moisture Skin Rescue Moisturizer. And I saw this at Target one day and I saw the ingredients and was so impressed. Now there is witch hazel, which can be really stripping for some people, but it's very low on the list. This has so many other amazing hydrating ingredients like triglyceride, glycerin, hemp seed oil, vegetable oil, vitamin E. So it's really hydrating, and the witch hazel gives it such a good balance. So this is a really awesome affordable fragrance-free moisturizer if you guys are looking for something new. I have a few others that I've been kind of jumping between, but oh my gosh, this seems so sponsored because I keep talking about Glow Recipe, but I'm sorry. I have just been absolutely living for the new Banana Souffle Moisture Cream from Glow Recipe. It is so good, and if you guys have more oily skin, the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer, so good. But today I'm going to be using the Glow Recipe one. I just use like a little tiny scoop. I never dip my fingers into jar products. With moisturizer, you literally need a pea size, enough to evenly coat the skin and the neck. This feels so nice and smells incredible. I love this one. And then for eye cream, I was having a hard time finding one that I liked. And I found this Valjean Labs Brightening Eye Cream. It's like an eye serum. This one's been really good. I do like that it has niacinamide in it and sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate is a derivative of hyaluronic acid, but the particles are smaller, so it can kind of penetrate deeper into the skin. So I've been really liking that one. And then I just got this one the other day. I know it's Glow Recipe, but guys, I'm telling you, this is one of the first high-end skincare brands that is really worth the money. I would say this, Youth to the People, and some Sunday Riley products are really, really worth it. I'm in love with this. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol eye sleeping mask, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna take my scoop and just grab a teeny tiny bit. Now this is super thick, and I love a thick eye cream for at night. Oh, this is amazing. And since it's a sleeping mask for your eyes, it's definitely not gonna absorb into the skin super quickly, but because I have really dry lids, having this overnight and waking up with hydrated skin opposed to like flaky dry patches, it is the best feeling ever. I love this so much. Some nights I'll use a facial oil if I feel that my skin kind of needs that extra boost of hydration, and I adore the Youth to the People Maki and Acai Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow oil. This stuff is amazing, and 2 drops of this like has my skin thanking me in the morning because I am so dry. It just leaves such a beautiful glow on the skin. And I always love to apply a lip mask. I'll most often use my Lush Cookie Dough Lip Scrub. I'm just going to be using my Bite Beauty Agave Intensive Lip Mask. And this is so thick, so you only need the tiniest little amount. So I'm going to give you guys an up close look at my skin so you can really see what it looks like after my routine. So this is my skin. You can see I have a lot of like breakouts around my mouth down here specifically, and I have some congestion kind of in here. So I think tomorrow night I'm gonna kind of do some deeper exfoliation, but overall I'm really happy with where my skin is at. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. Maybe I'll do a morning skincare routine if you guys want to see it. But anyways, let me take this off. I just don't even know what to say about my hair. Alright guys, that concludes my evening skincare routine. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching tonight. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below and leave a comment telling me what your favorite skincare product is, skincare brand, you know, what have you been loving, what have you been using. Make sure you follow me on the socials, especially Instagram, because when I hit 2K, I'm gonna be doing a really awesome giveaway that you guys are not going to want to miss, so make sure you check me out on Instagram. And I also have an Instagram dedicated completely to skincare. It's called Herbalized Skin, so you can check that out as well. It'll be linked below. And other than that, that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't mind my hair. I literally look like I have a baby mullet. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys the most. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.